Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the essentials. Power on the Xbox Series X and sign into your account so the console can register a new device. Next, make sure the controller has sufficient power, either fresh batteries or a USB-C charge at least half full, because low power can prevent pairing. Once done, stand within roughly 3 meters of the console and clear nearby wireless headsets or USB dongles that might interfere. This focuses the radio and speeds up the discovery process. Now you'll make the console discover the controller. Press the Xbox button on the console or controller to open the guide. This ensures the system is ready to accept a new device. Then press the console's pair button until its front light flashes. This tells it to search for controllers. Immediately press and hold the controller's small pair button on the top. The controller's Xbox light will blink rapidly when searching. Wait a few seconds and the lights should match, indicating successful linkage. Finish by confirming the controller's Xbox light is steady and you see the on-screen message that it's connected. Test the thumbsticks and buttons in a quick menu. If pairing fails, plug the controller into the console with a USB-C cable to pair automatically. Then unplug and retry wireless pairing. This often forces a successful handshake. If problems persist, restart the console, turn off nearby Bluetooth devices, and check for a controller firmware update. Updating resolves many edge case connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.